Design. Thanks for joining me here today. I have a beautiful Christmas project to share with you. This, many of you may remember this Cup of Gratitude folio that I made just a little while ago with Authentique paper. Well, this is the same design. This is the same base, so there's a tutorial, and I'll link that below in this description. I just used different papers and changed up the elements so that you can see how easy it is to translate one of my tutorials into another project. So this is made with gorgeous, really reasonable ribbon, and this is the November Ribbon Club assortment, which is all golds and silvers and whites. Super elegant, super beautiful, and it was a great match for my Authentique Rejoice paper collection. This is a really fantastic collection. It has like dual themes, almost three themes. There's baking, there's regular like Santa, and then there's pets too. So you'll need the 12 by 12 collection kit because you will want these recipe cards. So let's just take a look at the cover. I've created borders top and bottom with the gorgeous shimmer satin, gold shimmer satin, and the gold snowflake print satin, and I just layered those one over the other. The closure is this gorgeous diamond satin, which is just soft and elegant. The little pattern is beautiful. Then I layered up my plaid papers interspersed with Spectrum Tricycle Red, and I think that is Garden Green, and gold layers in between them just to create lots of depth and a feeling of richness. My bow cluster is a combination of the diamond satin and this wonderful little print with the ovals and the dots. It's just so sweet. And then I painted this Prima resin frame with ivory chalk paint, and then I spattered it with mica, gold mica mist, just a little bit to age it and to give it kind of a patina, and I love the way it turned out. I backed that with a little bit of burlap and then just put this cardstock element from the Rejoice collection in the center, and that's the other reason you want the collection kit, because it comes with these 12 by 12 die cuts. Beautiful flowers from my stash, some little sparkly reindeer, this adorable gingerbread man. This is from Funky Junky Boutique. Buttons from my stash, little sparkly snowflakes. I mean, it's just a really elegant cover. And then on the spine, I've layered up some cute charms. This is also from Funky Junky, this wonderful folk art Santa, some jingle bells. Look at this gingerbread man. Don't you just love him? Look how cute he is. Can you see? And I hitched this up onto a lobster clip from Butterbeast scraps and then just tied all the elements on and added a dab of glue to help hold them in place. And this is the back cover with this contrasting plaid and holly print. So let's open it up and take a peek inside. Of course, this is baking themed, so everything in here has to do with Christmas cookies and baking. We've got a little expandable pocket here with a banner trim, and then one of these wonderful recipe cards slipped into the pocket, and this is a little magnetic closure here with room for photos. And the whole idea here was to give you a place to put your favorite Christmas recipes, also photos and journaling spots, because the years go by really fast and you don't want to miss out on all the special things, all those memories. One day you'll look back at this and it will be a real treasure, all the memories. So this is a little 3/4 page that I turn into a pocket, and this flips over, and here's a photo mount and a title, and then over here is a large pocket with another recipe card, and also room to tuck in lots more recipe cards besides just these printed ones. A little burlap strip with banners from the collection, a little paper clip that I've strung with this shimmer satin, and I love using ribbon inside an album as well. I did it over here to create this border. It adds a richness to the project. This is a hidden page with a pullout, a large pullout. And we just decorated this up with the papers, used one of those little elements as a pull tab. And then this photo mount is also a pocket. So you can put journaling. Great, I love baking with my granddaughters, and my daughter and I bake cookies together every year. So this would be a really fun place to chronicle all of that. Look at these little gingerbread men on a cookie sheet. I found this in my stash. I don't even know where it came from, but it sure is cute. Then over here we have a little magnetic flip page, room for journaling, room for a large photo. This opens out, and we have another pocket here with a skinny folio, and this is a great place for little photos and journaling. There's lots and lots of room for that. Also has a magnetic closure, and it just lives right in here. Then that flips out yet again. Here's a belly band. And I deliberately used this neutral from the collection, which I love, because you could journal on top of this and then put a photo underneath. So that's fun. This is a belly band. You can slip photos or recipes in there. And then this is the heart of the album. This is a waterfall. And I've used more of that beautiful snowflake satin. I found another one of those little flat metal charms. I wish I knew where I'd gotten those. They're so cute. And then the little gingerbread people on top. And then the recipe slips inside the pocket. So this is a little bit different from the original design. The original was a lateral waterfall. This is a vertical waterfall, but I just did 6.5 by 4 3/4 scored 1/2 inch. Then you line them up like always. And then I just built the little pockets by cutting my paper an inch wider on the top and a 1/2 inch wider on the side than the base. And then you just slip your recipe cards in there. Then there's room for photos or recipes on each of these little waterfalls in the cascade. But what a fun way. And this way you're not running all over the place trying to find your favorite cookie recipes when the holidays come. So that's my project for Really Reasonable Ribbon Blog Hop. There's a lot of great inspiration on the blog. You'll want to check that out, and you'll also want to hit all the blogs, comment, and then go to Really Reasonable Ribbon and let them know you did the hop, because they're giving away this ribbon assortment, which is well worth having for the holidays. And if you're not a member of the Really Reasonable Ribbon monthly club, you can sign up at reallyreasonableRibbon.com. So that's it for me today. I love baking during the holidays, and what a great addition. This will be beautiful on display in your kitchen. So thanks for joining me. I'm going to go get my craft on. Bye.